Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Node-RED EV charging automation flows step by step clearly. To download Node-RED EV charging automation flows, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the official Node, locate the documentation section for guides and resources. Here, search for the section on EV charging automation flows. You will find a list of available flows, complete with descriptions. Choose the flow you wish to download. Click on the provided download link. The flow file will typically be in JSON format. Save the file to a location on your computer that is easy to access. Next, open your Node-RED editor in a web browser. Log in if prompted, and ensure you are connected to your Node-RED instance. Once in the editor, locate the menu in the top right corner. Click on the menu icon to expand the options. Select the import option from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear prompting you to import the flow. Click on the Choose File button. Navigate to the location where you saved the JSON file. Select the downloaded flow file and click Open. After selecting the file, click on the Import button in the dialog. The flow will now be added to your workspace. You can see it on the main canvas area of the Node-RED editor. Make any necessary adjustments or configurations as required. Once satisfied, click on the Deploy button to activate the flow. Your Node-RED EV charging automation flow is now ready to use. Monitor the flow's performance to ensure everything operates smoothly. If any issues arise, consult the Node-RED documentation for troubleshooting tips. Experiment with modifying the flow to better suit your needs. Enjoy automating your EV charging process with Node-RED. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.